back. Sorry about that, folks. I'm gonna tell you more, but everybody is a star, okay? See, that girl looks freaking strangers. Okay. One person, most three people, which I know. Okay, no. Come on, guys, let's all get in here. I'm bringing everyone in. Look, we have a full row. Never mind, because that person hates their spot. Come on, just join in. Y2K. Oh, and look, he's here. That guy doesn't know how to get in, man. He's so stupid. Yeah. I don't know, 630, 40, I don't know, 9 people playing keys. Acting like he's the most important one. And that he needs to be. Okay, I'm number 10. 10. Man, I wanted Windows 8. Can I be Jay? If anybody's next to me, we're meant to be together. Here I am. Rock me like a hurricane. Oh, girl. Y2K, you better. Why does nobody get the Windows 8? Okay. We're currently flying latitude of 330. This is my seat. I wanted to spit on here, but I can't. Go check. Why can't I have first class? Look, why can't I just be like la 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 la? Like, no, but like imagine. Okay, wait, this would suck. You wouldn't even be able to see the window. You'd have to get up and look at. This sucks. If you want to look at a view and get first class, boom. You actually kind of get a view here, but barely. Nobody. Turbulent. Okay. Sit down, take a deep breath. Deep. Let's see who's playing. Justin, Joel, Ayden, Ninner, Ariana Grenade, and where is me, bro? Got me. Bum 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 bum. Dun 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 dun. Should Evan Afton be my avatar, or like me as Evan Afton? Yeah, I think that should be. Hello. Oh please, I want to be allergic. I want to be allergic. Okay, let's eat this. But I hope he gets allergic. Barbecue. Hey, barbecue. Barbecue chicken. Barbecue chicken. Barbecue chicken. Barbecue chicken. Yeah, bruh. I knew it was gonna be barbecue chicken. I'm so smart, actually. I can see it very well. Okay, then why don't you get a doctor? Wait, this allergic mail? I'm allergic to mail. Nobody cares if you're allergic. No, I followed you. No. So wait, bro, why don't you look for your own? We're kind of making sure you don't die. Oh, that's mine. It's pink. I found it. Look, wait, mine. It's pink. Those of everything. It's beautiful from head to toe. Oh, wait, I want to go. Ooh. Look, wait, hold on. It's pink. It's pink. Those of everything. You're beautiful from head to toe. You know, cause you're pink. Pretty pink. Bro, Jolie. How does bro achieve a window seat? How does bro? Ow, what the frick, man? Should I do a whole series of airplane? Once I edit this video, you guys can let me know in the comment section if you guys want a part 2 of airplane 2. Maybe I'll do vacation or whatever that one's called at the end. Okay. Also, do you guys like my new lobby one? Also, do you like my new intro? I'm gonna have them in every single video now. You will not survive. I will. Are those snakes? Oh, I love snakes. Oh boy, no I don't. Why is there actually snakes in the elevator? No, in the airplane. They're all over there. I need to go. I need in. Bro. Come on, Sick. This one's gonna be my friend. What is girl doing? What is bro doing, man? Bro, you can't leave it. Stop! Looks like you need a stone. Oh! So weird, so weird. I'm so smart. Bye, Felicia! Tristan, what are you doing in here? Put on a shirt. Oh, he does. Wash my hands, because I'm so tall, I could eat everyone. Why is this thing so short? Look. Boom, boom. Bro, I think if you pee your pants, it'll go like boom. It's perfect. Oh, what if it? Oh, but yeah, I'm so weird. So, but like, what if this girl's in my way, but what if it goes like that? It goes back to you. Ow. Why is everybody in my way? Nobody cares. Bum, 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 bum. La, 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 la. Girl. What? Girl. Mom. Hey, mom, girl. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Justin. Oh wait, hold on. I'm saying, Herberly, are you okay? Herberly, are you okay? Herberly, are you okay? Are you okay? I need to go back to my seat. I need an oxygen mask. I want to die. Man, I'm gonna take that one. I'm gonna take this one. Guys, somebody's gonna die. Emily! Emily, you took that from him! Emily! Stupid Italy. You should be from Italy, because you suck. Justin, why are you even alive? I died! Ah! Oh, he has a bomb! Stop going to me! You have a bomb! No, what else? What is this? Okay, everyone, calm down. What am I saying? Calm down. No, I'm clicking it. I clicked it. I found a pair of scissors. Ha, Emily. Save the day. Should we? No, stop moving. Guys, red or blue? I think red will save him. I will get the red cable. Oh, he didn't make it. Let's keep going. Whoopsies! I just killed a bird in front of her eyes and she's like, bruh. Oh my god. I just killed him. Should I have done blue, guys? Blur. Now you say blue. I did eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I did eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Actually didn't. I just said red. I kind of wanted him to die, but I kind of wanted him to live, so we'd have this. How? Oh. How, girl? Where's the captain? Remembering that code, guys. Remember that code, okay? Everybody remember that code! We got this, guys. Okay, can you guys also tell me what the code was? Because I'm gonna probably say but no. Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. Can I do the bad, guys? Should I do a bad ending or good ending? She's actually gonna probably see me. I know it. No, wait! I found it. found it and you just took it. Urgh. I should have stayed over there on my pirate tie. I got it. No, I thought she had to walk all the way back. But no, obviously it's gonna teleport back. What? What? Hi, Gigi. Mommy's trying to steal something. Hi. Hi. Mommy, get Gigi. I'm doing something. Get Georgie out. Georgie out. Out. Go back out. Live. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Georgie. Thank you. Okay. It's not possible. Actually, shut up. I'm actually told her. Look. Okay, look. Now it's time to die. Yeah, I'm gonna kill us. Guys, should I survive? See you in the afterlife! No, girl. It's gonna be me! Should I crash the plane? Guys, I already killed somebody. Should I crash the plane? No, we have to do B and love here. Oh, yeah. Well, we're gonna die anyways. Who cares? To find the autopilot button. Go. Dying will save the world. Whatever doesn't find the button before we die. I've actually died before, so who cares? It should be over here, honestly. Why would it be? Okay. She's probably fine. Besides that, she better not. Stop! I found it. Stupid. I get this one. The paralyzed flag should be homeless. So I mean home. I'm gonna drive. Let me drive. No. What are you doing? Okay. I played this game before. Where are we going? Ooh, shoot. Good gorilla. Pawn. Okay. We need the phone. The phone's over here. I don't know if she's understanding much. Our captain is a god. Don't worry. We will get you home in no time. Okay? Is everyone okay? Yes, we are okay. There's only two people. Autopilot mode is on. Let us pray. Let us pray. We know what we want to be. I'm vibrated. Suffocation. No breathing. There's one last house. Somebody to keep the plane. That's me. That's gonna be me. Oh, girl. I'm gonna do it. Oh, girl. Oh, I'm gonna do it. Guys, good or bad ending? Okay, Emily, I got this. Good ending or bad ending? It's up to her. Good ending. Guys, good ending. £1 good ending. £1 good ending. The destiny has already been written. Good ending. Last chance, CK. Crash this plane and we will rule the underworld for eternity. What did I say? That ain't is in mind, by the way. No. She said not to. She said, I'm not doing it. I'm sending this plane. She said to. You humans are so weak. Sure, I'll accept it. This is not the last time you see me. So, what do we do now? It's gone! We're calling it an it now. It's gone! Wait! He's over. Oh, should we see him? What did he need? Who cares? Let's get back home now! I'm about to throw up. Okay, throw up in the oxygen mask. Guys, we had died. Airplane! Victory! Should I have crashed it? I don't know.